This is Chef Brad from Blaze Pizza, and I'm cooking at home. Your meal kit will come with pizza dough and dusting flour. The dusting flour looks like Parmesan cheese, but it's not. I assure you, it's flour. I use some of the dusting flour so the dough doesn't stick to your hands, and carefully get the dough ball out. You want to be extra careful. This is a super important step. You're also going to flour the surface you're going to now press or stretch your dough on, and you're going to flour the other side. You're going to carefully press out a little bit of the air from the dough, and this is where the clown car starts. You're gonna drive the clown car. Drive it round and around in a circle like you're doing a donut. And the dough will stretch itself just from the weight of the dough. Or you can even put it on the back of your fists and stretch it gently, your choice. But once you get it to size, you're gonna put it back here on the board, and then we're gonna work from there on how we put the toppings on. So I've got several different types of pans here to show you what you could use if you don't have a pizza peel in your house. This is a normal size cookie sheet. This is a half-size sheet pan or half-size baking sheet. And then this is the quarter size. I have a really small oven, so I have to use the quarter size as my peel to get the pizza into the oven. Here's how you put the sauce on the pizza. This is a 2-ounce portion. It's gonna go right on here. This is a 10-inch pizza. Just use a regular teaspoon from the house. Shake all the sauce onto it, and then you're just gonna spread it around. You don't wanna pop any of these bubbles that are in the pizza right now, because that's what's making that pizza so light as air and so delicate on the palate when you eat it. So I'm assembling the red vine pizza here, and it comes with some Parmesan cheese, a grated Parmesan. I like the idea of putting Parmesan on first. I think it brings out some better flavor of the tomato sauce in it if it goes on second. And then we've got the fresh mozzarella ball. This gets broken into 8 pieces. You put 5 around the outside and 3 towards the center. You just break it, and then break it, and you start applying it. The last 2 toppings that go on this pizza are the basil leaves. So you can either put them on whole, or you can rip them into smaller pieces, and the fresh cut tomatoes. This is how you get the pizza into the oven. I'm using a pizza peel. You can also use the sheet pan or a cookie sheet to get it into the oven. You're gonna wanna make sure it's gonna slide a little bit before you put it in the oven. You just open up the door and slide it right on it. And after about 7 minutes in your convection oven, or about 12 minutes in a conventional gas oven, you are ready to take your pizza out of the oven and cut it up. And here's how you apply the finishes. Here we've got some fresh arugula. Just gonna sprinkle that around. And basil pesto as a finish. This is that nut-free basil pesto. Now you could put this on earlier as a sauce, or you can put it on as a finish. And you are ready to go. You just cut it up and enjoy.